Hello and welcome. My name is Jennifer Hoffman and I am the owner of Jennifer's Handmade Soap. I have been making soap since 2009 and I've wanted to start videos for about 2 years now. But it's slightly daunting and I had to learn video editing, which I'm sure I can do, but again, learning a new skill sometimes, you put it off. Anyways, the point of all of this is that I have finally started my YouTube station. And I thought I should start the first video with an introduction of myself, who I am, what I do, why I do it, what I hope to achieve with this channel, all that good stuff. So here we are, first video. It's gonna be a learning experience, I am sure. I'm hoping that the more I learn, the better my videos get. But bear with me. I am going to try my best and I hope that you will be entertained by all that's to come. So for this first video, I just, as I said, wanted to kind of introduce myself. I have a list, my handy dandy list, of things I wanted to talk about. So again, first off is introduce myself. So I'm Jennifer. I started making soap, as I said, in 2009, and I started a business in 2012. It's now in my 10th year, which is kind of crazy to think. I don't know if I ever imagined that I would be where I am today, but I am, and it's exciting, and I love sharing my soaps with everyone. I am known for my designs. So you might be wondering where the name The Soap Artist came from. Well, I don't know, number of years ago, I was with a friend and we were with another friend of a friend, and we were talking and that person was asking what I did. So I was like, oh, well, I own my own business and I make artisan soaps. And my other friend goes, she doesn't just make soaps. Let me tell you, she's a soap artist. And I really loved that description. I was like, yes, that's kind of what I really feel like, is making art out of soap. And that name has always stuck with me. And when I started the idea of creating a YouTube channel, I was like, I really like that name and I kind of really want to use it. So then there was the ordeal of coming up with a logo for that. And I love art. I love the design aspect of soap making, but I'm also fascinated by the science aspect. It's just, science was never my subject. I never liked science. I got through science in school because I had to. But the science of soap is fascinating. I just kind of go crazy over it and I love learning new things, figuring out why something happened scientifically. I said it all fascinates me. So I wanted to combine those two aspects. That's where I got the idea of artist being a fancy, swirly, artistic word. And instead of using soap, I use the chemical formula for soap. So that's where that came from. RCOO negative, Na positive is the basic chemical composition or general formula for soap. If it were liquid soap, it would be K for potassium. In this case, it's a bar soap, so it's Na for sodium. R represents any long chain alkali group consisting of 12 to 18 carbon atoms. So that's basically our fat in soap. And then the Na is our sodium, which is basically our lye. So that is the science side of soap. I really just found that combination of creating the science and then the art into one logo, fun, fascinating, and it's me. It really is me. So that's where that came from. I hope you like the logo. It took me a long time to design it. I had all these ideas in my head, and every time I tried designing it, nothing really panned out. And then one day everything just clicked and it all came together, and I was really happy with the overall result. So that's where the soap artist came from. What do I want to do with this channel? Well, obviously I want to show videos of me making my soaps. Some just videos, some tutorial style. We'll see how it all works out. But again, I really do hope that I can share how I do stuff and that others can learn from it, because I've learned so much from others watching their videos. So I want to kind of share that same thing. I also would love to probably do some what might be considered boring videos, but that talk about the math side of soap making. So, because again, the science is fascinating, and I think being able to understand how to formulate your own recipe, how to calculate it, my calculators are great. I use them all the time, but knowing how to do it from scratch is not a bad skill to have. So that science side, the technical aspect, I would love to do some tutorials on too. I am sure this will expand as I grow and get more comfortable making videos, editing videos. So it'll be a journey, and I hope you will join me, because I am very excited to begin sharing my imagination in progress. Thank you for joining me, and stay tuned for more videos.